Ever felt like you're in a pressure cooker with deadlines looming and a team looking to you for direction? You're not alone. It's a common scenario in today's fast paced professional world. Leadership isn't just about being at the helm, it's about navigating through the storm, staying calm, and steering your team towards success. And here's the kicker: many believe that to lead effectively under pressure, one must be born with the leadership gene. But that's a myth. Leadership, especially under pressure, is an acquired skill, not a birthright. Consider this: is it possible that the pressure you feel is not a burden, but a catalyst for growth? Can it be the very factor that pushes you to bring out your best? Over the next few minutes, we'll explore the art of leading under pressure and the tools that can sharpen your leadership skills. But what if I told you there's a way to turn that pressure into a driving force for success? The most commonly used tool for effective leadership under pressure is surprisingly simple. It's the art of prioritization. Picture this: you're at the helm of a ship navigating through a storm. The waves represent your tasks and deadlines, each one vying for your attention. The ship is your team, relying on your guidance. How do you decide which wave to tackle first? That's where prioritization comes in. Prioritization is the process of deciding the order in which tasks should be tackled based on their importance and urgency. It's your compass guiding you through the storm. For example, if you're a project manager, you might prioritize tasks that are critical to the project's success, or tasks that are needed by other team members to continue their work. By mastering prioritization, you can navigate the storm of deadlines without losing your cool. And that, folks, is how you lead under pressure. Now you might be thinking, prioritization? That's it? But don't underestimate its power. You see, effective prioritization is like having a secret weapon. It helps you cut through the noise and focus on what truly needs your attention. Imagine this: you're at work and your to-do list is a mile long. The clock is ticking and it feels like everything is urgent. Sounds stressful, right? But with prioritization, you can distinguish between what's urgent and what's important. Suddenly, you're not just putting out fires, you're strategically directing your efforts, making smarter decisions on the fly. And guess what? Your team notices. They see you navigating the chaos with composure. They feel the shift in the atmosphere as panic gives way to purpose. Productivity shoots up, stress levels go down, and morale, well, that skyrockets. Imagine having a roadmap in the chaos, a guide to help you decide where to focus your energy and resources. That's the power of prioritization. So how can you apply this tool in your own leadership journey? It starts with recognizing that every task isn't created equal. Some are more crucial to the project's success than others. So identify those key tasks first. This is your priority one. Next, delegate effectively. Share the responsibility of priority 2 tasks with your team. Trust in their abilities and give them the opportunity to shine. And what about those priority 3 tasks? Well, they're important but not urgent. Schedule them for later when the high priority tasks are done. Are you finding it hard to delegate? Are you worried about letting go? That's natural, but remember, leadership isn't about doing everything yourself. It's about guiding your team to success. So take a moment, reflect on your project. What's your priority 1? Who can you trust with priority 2? And when will you tackle a priority 3? Remember, the key to performing under pressure isn't avoiding it, it's about harnessing it to deliver results. The path to effective leadership under pressure isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. A journey filled with learning, growth, and many opportunities to prove your mettle. Remember, the pressure cooker of leadership can be intense, but with the right tools and mindset, you can navigate it with poise and confidence. We've explored the importance of understanding pressure, the power of prioritization, and the role you play in leading your team effectively. It's time to apply these insights and embark on your own leadership journey. How will you handle the pressure? How will you prioritize tasks and lead your team to success? These aren't just rhetorical questions, but prompts for you to reflect upon. Your experiences, opinions, and questions are part of a larger conversation about effective leadership. Sharing them can foster a community dialogue, and together we can navigate the complexities of the workplace. Stay tuned for more insights on leadership and performance, and don't forget to subscribe for more tools to help you thrive in the workplace pressure cooker.